Zion, my Rastafari brother. Let the session begin. Me wake up and me see the fire. System a burn, me soul get higher. Them lock me down, me break the chain. Me dance in a street when come the rain. Every youth in a deep black no pain. But me bring hope with reggae strain. Them say calm down, me say no man. Me voice a lion, me nah stop chant. Them politicians full of chat. But me say action, not just that. Me say grow your own, free your mind. Break the curse that Babylon bind. Me say money can't buy respect. True rebel move with intellect. Me say knowledge over bling and gold. Revolution story unfold. Fire blaze high, reach the sky. Them can cool what just supply. Me say rebel heart, me rebel sound. We not bow when this system wrong. Fire in a Babylon, light up the night. Truth are the weapon, wisdom and me might. From the corner to the mountain top. The youth rise up, now can't stop. Fire in a Babylon, crack the wall. Me chant freedom, feel one and all. From Kingston town to London street. Me drum beat make them feel the heat. Me say fi every mother cry fi son. Me say fight until justice done. Them profit off with sweat and blood. But reggae rise up like with flood. The sound system shake the ground. Babylon was tumble down. Me say unity, me say love. Me say lion hearts fly like dove. Me not care fi Babylon crown. Me want fi see the people sound. No more puppet, no more chain. No more living in a fake it pain. Me say plant seed in a youth mind. Watch wisdom blossom over time. Me say trust Jah, not trust them. The system fail again and again. Boom! Me foot on the pedal. Blaze through the ghetto like rebel medal. Me lyrics heavy like thunder roll. Me music deep in a every soul. The elders rise, the youth unite. The fire blaze bright in a the night. Me say dance, me say sing. Reggae music, break the king. Fire in a Babylon, light up the night. Truth are the weapon, wisdom and me might. From the corner to the mountain top. The youth rise up, now can't stop. Fire in a Babylon, crack the wall. Me chant freedom, feel one and all. From Kingston town to London street. Me drum beat make them feel the heat. Me say tear off mask, show the face. Babylon can't win this race. Me say freedom, me say right. Me say rebel, vice ignite. The time come, no time fi wait. The system tremble under weight. Me say forward, me say no. Me say break them, chain make vow. Me say feed the youth, feed the poor. Open up every locked door. Me say chant till Babylon fall. Reggae echo in every hall. Fire blaze, fire strong, rebel music all night long. Me say rise up, now sit down. The time for youth feel wear the crown. Zion brother, let's go. Them say calm down, you just obey. But my born with the fire we can't fade away. Inna the streets where the siren cry, me lift my head, my voice reach sky. The system where them build for mash we mine. But me say Rasta youth keep your grind. From the ghetto corner to the mountain peak, me chant truth even when me weak. Me say politician lie, me say leader fake. Them rob the earth, them rob the lake. But me say mama nature can't be bought. Our roots deep, our lessons start. Me nah sit still, me nah play dead. Me nah swallow lies, them a spread. The lion on my chest, roar loud. Break the chain, push through the crowd. Lions roar in a concrete jungle. Break the silence, break the struggle. Hear it echo, cross the land. Rebel heart, rebel band. Lions roar in a Babylon town. Tear them walls, tear them down. One voice, one sound. Revolution, come around. Me say youth man rise now, be no clone. Find your purpose, find your own tone. The world now need another puppet face. We need leaders full of grace. Miss a ganja smoke, lift the prayer. Jah blessings fall like river layer. We nah go hide when the storm a blow. We face the fire, let the whole world know. Me say the media twist your head, feed your poison, leave you dead. But me say books over headline feed. Plant the wisdom like righteous seed. Can you hear the roots man call? Can you feel the Babylon fall? Can you taste the freedom breeze? Me say chant it down on your knees. Me say hands up, me say heart strong. Me say sing your freedom song. Me say light a flame inna the dark. Me say leave your rebel mark. Lions roar in a concrete jungle. Break the silence, break the struggle. Hear it echo, cross the land. Rebel heart, rebel band. Lions roar in a Babylon town. Tear them walls, tear them down. One voice, one sound. Revolution, come around. Me say no retreat, me say no surrender. The rebel youth a real defender. Me say each step much down fear. Me say Babylon hear me near. Me say me nah need no crown pan head. Me say me nah need no blood for shed. Me say word, me say rhythm, me say sound. Shake the city, shake the ground. Me say unity at the real ammunition. One love at the real revolution. Me say bless the elders, bless the child. Me say walk righteous, walk wild. Lions roar, shake the night. Me say truth, shine the brightest light. Me say from the root to the highest tree. Jah people rise, Jah people free. Lions roar. Ayayay, Kingston, gold inna the paper. Me step out barefoot pon the dirt. Heartbeat drum with heavy hurt. Me say Babylon mash up the place, but me spirit shine can't erase. The system lock me in a cage, but me break free like a lion rage. Them push down poor, lift up greed. Me bring the anthem the people need. Me say nah bow to politician, nah follow them false mission. Me say roots run deep like river. Me chant fi heal, fi make you shiver. Lion heart, hear me cry. Me voice reach up to Jah high. From concrete jungle to mountain top. Me nah stop chant, me nah stop drop. Lion heart, we rise up strong. Sing the freedom, sing the song. From the ghetto to the king's throne. Lion heart, we claim the zone. Lion
Lion heart, nah lose faith. Break the chain, unlock the gate. We rebel, we dance, we pray. Lion heart, lead the way. Me say look in your mirror, you see warrior, na see terror. Me say Babylon try distract, but me say hold firm, no sidetrack. Them sell glitter, them sell gold, but them can't sell me soul. Me say wisdom over wealth. Me say love is the real health. Me say rise again. Me say pain make you stronger friend. Me say roots music teach the youth. Me say plant the seed, grow the truth. Me hear the voices of ancestors call. Stand tall, youth, never fall. Them like the fire in me chest. Me chant for peace, me chant for rest. Me say drums beat down Babylon wall. Me say love rise up, conquer all. Me say we not go silent now. Me say we bring the rebel sound. Lion heart, we rise up strong. Sing the freedom, sing the song. From the ghetto to the king's throne. Lion heart, we claim the zone. Lion heart, nah lose faith. Break the chain, unlock the gate. We rebel, we dance, we pray. Lion heart, lead the way. Me say unity are the key. Me say break down the boundary. Me say black, white, rich or poor. Me say open up Jah door. Me say Babylon crumble fast. Me say only love will last. Me say youth are the revolution. Me say chant for the solution. Me say street light flicker on. Me say chant till Babylon gone. Me say never forget where you're from. Me say dance under Jah sun. Me hear the call through iron cloud. Truth still chanting steady proud. Them try block we with towers high, but echoes rise, still pierce the sky. Them build them kingdom in a steel and smoke. Sell hope like wine for the rich folk. We not born for silence or cage. We vice too wild, we soul too sage. Them flood the youth with flashy screen, but blackout come and dreams get lean. Me walk with message in a me chest. Carved from struggle, carved from west. Every ghetto a holy scroll. Every sufferer play them role. Them call we rebel, me say correct. Cause we not accept disrespect. Echoes rise through the iron sky. Carry truth, them can't deny. From Trenchtown Yard to Mountain High. We chant for freedom, we chant for I. Iron sky can't block Jah sound. We message deep, it can't drown. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Feel we beat with fire, we sacred ground. Me not fear no drone or law. Me know Jah move through every flaw. Them track me step, them scan me face, but Jah write code, them can't erase. Me mind sharp like ancient spear. Me words cut clean, me sight clear. Me say teach the youth, build them pride. Tell them truth, them always hide. We not robot, we not slave. We the lion who can behave. Every chant a sacred fight. Every beat a blaze of light. Them engine a the mental chain, but me chant break algorithm brain. Them no know say song still free. Rasta rise through frequency.
From jungle roots to urban block, we heartbeat stronger than them clock. System twist but can't erase the soul of a freeborn face. So me stand pan rhythm and rock, with rebel fire, with dreadlock. Them say hush, me say talk. Them build them cage, me bun lock. Echoes rise through the iron sky, carry truth, them can't deny. From Trenchtown Yard to Mountain High, we chant for freedom, we chant for I. Iron sky can't block Jah sound. We message deep.
Ayayay, Rastaman so high. Babylon build the wall so tall, but me say one day them a surely fall. Them stack the bricks with greed and lies, but truth rise up and touch the skies. Me walk through the streets where the sirens wail. Me see the youths behind the jail. Them lock them up for a little herb, while politicians sip them expensive verb. Me say system mash up mama land, drain the water, poison the sand. But me say earth can't take no more. Nature's wrath and knock on the door. So me chant with the elders, me chant with the youth. Me chant the fire, me chant the truth. No matter how Babylon strong, the righteous beat still carry on. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the trumpet, hear the call. Me say rise up, one and all. Babylon walls must surely fall. Babylon walls, brick and stone, can't stand against flesh and bone. Me say heart strong, soul tall. Babylon walls, them a go fall. Them put camera on the corner. Me say big brother getting warmer, but me say me not bow to fear. Me say Jah voice always near. Me say me people rise from slumber. Me say break the chain, break the number. Me say unity mash down divide. Me say one love on every side. Me say children of the sun can't stop till freedom come. Me say ghetto youth chant this song. Me say rich and poor sing along. Rasta say chant, chant Babylon down. Beat the drum, shake the ground. From Africa to Jam down shore, Babylon can't take no more. Me say Babylon can't hide the truth. Me say youth man know the proof. Me say spread love, me say spread light. Me say keep the vision bright. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the trumpet, hear the call. Me say rise up, one and all. Babylon walls must surely fall. Babylon walls, brick and stone, can't stand against flesh and bone. Me say heart strong, soul tall. Babylon walls, them a go fall. Me say the final days draw near. Me say Babylon start for fear. Them see the crowd in the street, hear the drum, hear the beat. Me say me now want no bloody fight. Me say me want love and light. Me say revolution in a mind. Free your spirit, free your kind. Me say Babylon crumble slow. Me say we reap what we sow. Me say plant the tree, plant the peace. Me say let the wickedness cease. Babylon walls shake tonight. Me say hold your ground, hold it right. Me say one voice, one prayer. Babylon walls can't stay there.
Ay, 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 ay. My Rastafari's, Jah bless the world. Me rise up early, sun in a me eye. Me hear Jah whisper from the sky. Them say go slow, but me can't wait. The fire in a me roots, nah hesitate. Babylon build walls round with soul, but me say love break every control. Them say follow the dollar, me say no. Me follow the river, me let it flow. Me granny say, youth mind your way, but me say granny, the system stray. Me nah fit in a the rat race. Me say truth live in a Jah face. Them want silence, me say vice. Them want fear, me say choice. Me say rebel heart, me say flame. Me chant freedom in a Jah name. Fire in a roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Jah soldiers never fall. Fire in a roots, me say rise. Like this city, like these skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music, shake the ground. Them put cameras on me street. Them say me dangerous cause me speak. But me lyrics nah bend, nah break. Me say rebel love, nah fake. Me say chant down every chain. Me say dance inna the rain. Me say uplift me brother, me say heal. Me say freedom song real. Me say no machine can kill soul. Me say no wall can block gold. Me say from Kingston to Berlin, rebel voice still ring. Them say me too loud, me say louder. Them say me too proud, me say prouder. Me say Jah guide every step. Me say me nah have no regret. Listen now, can you hear it clear? The sound of freedom draw near. Me say march on the street with drum. Me say Babylon time done. Me say heart over weapon. Me say truth over deception. Me say one love inna the crowd. Me say chant it strong, chant it loud. Fire in our roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Jah soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots, me say rise. Like this city, like the skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music, shake the ground. Me say from Africa plain to Caribbean sea. The rebel song set we free. Me say no chain palm me mind. Me say leave Babylon behind. Me say children dance, elders smile. Me say walk free every mile. Me say no more war for oil. Me say plant seed in a soil. Me say turn up the sound system. Me say rebel music wisdom. Me say heal the wound with vibe. Me say live free, me say thrive. So me walk with fire in a me step. Me say love is all me rep. Me say roots deep in the ground. Me say hear it now, rebel sound. Zion roots.
We born in the struggle, we born in the fire, but we rise up higher with hearts full of desire. The system try lock we down, put we in chains, but we break through the walls, no matter the pains. Me ancestors guide me with wisdom so pure. They say stand tall, me child, my promise is sure. Me see the lies, me feel the betrayal, but we rise from the ashes, we break the veil. We walk through the storm, through the darkest night. With the strength of Jah, we step in the light. Me feel the power, me feel the call. We rise as one, we answer the fall. We rise from the ashes, we rise with the flame. No matter the trials, we call Jah's name. In every struggle, in every fight, we rise together, we stand in the light. We rise from the ashes, we rise up tall. We rise with the truth, we rise from the fall. In the fire, my spirit born. We rise from the ashes, my soul reborn. The world had turned, but we stay grounded in the truth of Jah. We've been surrounded. Them build them lies, but we see the cracks in the heart of the system. It all fall back. Me not bow to the fake crown, the golden lies. Me rise with the truth, me reach for the skies. Me spirit a warrior, me mind is clear. Me stand tall, me not show no fear. Them try fi break we, them try fi control, but we rise again with a stronger soul. From the ashes, we break through the chains. We rise in the light, we stand for the change. We rise from the ashes, we rise with the flame. No matter the trials, we call Jah's name. In every struggle, in every fight, we rise together, we stand in the light. We rise from the ashes, we rise up tall. We rise with the truth, we rise from the fall. In the fire, the spirit born. We rise from the ashes, my soul reborn. Me feel the power in every breath. We rise above the fear of death. Me see the light, me feel the truth. We rise as one, we bring the youth. The fire burn but we never fade. In the ashes we find the trade. Me feel the love, me feel the might. We rise from the ashes, we step in the light. We fight for peace, we fight for unity. In the struggle, we find immunity. Me see the power in the people's. Me feel it in a ear. System shiver like it knowing near. Truth arise, Babylon fear. Them walls start crack when vice appear. Them build it high, them build it wide, but justice now live on that side. Steel and glass tower of lies, but fire come from humble cries. Me see the suit and the tie spin tail, smiling sweet while the poor get pale. Them sign them paper we didn't chain, while we suffer in silent pain. Them preach control, call it peace, but every rule just extend leash. Digital leash, mental cage, a modern slave in a data page. System mask looks so clean, but behind it, corrupt machine. Them feed fear like daily meal, but truth still strong, truth still real. System shivers when we chant, cause we words now come from plant. Straight from roots, straight from flame, we call Babylon by name. System shivers when we rise, looking at we heart, not disguise. Them can't stop the rebel drum, Rasta vice, I make them numb. Me no need no man permission, fi speak me soul, fi claim me mission. Them label warriors as mad, but me proud fi be the one them add. Truth no follow man-made line, it grow wild, just like vine. From ghettos into mountain top, me spirit rise, it nah go stop. Me talk to youth in corner block, tell them truth, now come from clock. your truth will do. Knowledge deep like morning dew. Them try to mute the ancient word, but me say Rasta voice must be heard. Burn down illusion wall, rise up tall, never fall. System shivers when we chant, cause we words now come from plants. Straight from roots, straight from flame, we call Babylon by name. System shivers when we rise, looking at we heart, not disguise. Them can't stop the rebel drum, Rasta voice, I make them numb. Listen close, you hear it shake. System built on lie and fake. We come with sun, with soul, with light. Shatter dark with ancient might. Me no need stage or fame. Me just want them call your name. Me just want them youth to know. Them born blessed, roots are grow. So when you walk through system fire, hold the line, all you desire. We born free but them send we code. Plug in system, download road. But we now walk, no program part. We rise like sun, we burn them rat. Them got camera in the sky, but me spirit fly higher than high. Them send signal through pocket device, but me mind sharp like prophet advice. We live in a matrix built for numb, but we chant wake up, beat like drum. Me see youth scroll all day long, but never learn where them belong. Them sell likes for mental peace, but your love now come with lease. Me say every swipe bill more chain, but me tune crack through that brain. Me say Babylon use the Wi-Fi net fi trap the soul and make you forget. Forget your roots, forget your name. Forget the struggle, build the flame. Digital chains can't hold me mind. Lion brain think out of them line. System try fi control me way, but Jah Light guide me every day. We not blind, we not tame. Even in code, we chant we name. Digital chains can't lock we soul. Me heart beat deep like Congo roll. Them take we data, sell we self, but knowledge sleep on dusty shelf. Me say, wake up from artificial dream. Life now live through glowing screen. Me granny say, pick me read stars. No youth read pixels from afar, but still me chant, fi overstand. Fi plant the seed, fi heal the land. Me nah trust no algorithm face. Them replace love with digital space. Them say AI know me my best, but AI can't feel heart in my chest. So me burn Babylon illusion. Me chant roots, real fusion. We not made fi clone or click. We made fi reason, made fi stick. Come you forward with open mind. Leave behind what them define. Come you dance fi truth and fire. Let go the phone raise you desire. Every chant a rebel wave. Every line a soul fi save. Me now whisper, me now fade. Me build rhythm like lion parade. Digital chains can't hold me mind. Lion brain think out of them line. System try to control me. Them build wall high, but me spirit fly. Them flood the world with illusion lie. Me nah see crown, me nah wear mask. Me live truth, that a me only Jah influence. Clouds of Zion make the vibes immense. Them fight with culture, them not understand. Herb a just give for every woman and man. The farmer them a labor on Jah's land. Clouds of Zion carry Jah's command. Say the fire burn bright, the truth ignite. The herb make the soul and Jah align tight. Clouds of Zion make the darkness light. Babylon can't stop Jah's might. The strain when me born a Jah's creation. Herb and the rhythm, the meditation. The fire carry the power for the nation. Clouds of Zion, Jah vibration. Me chant and the rhythm, Jah guide me speech. Herb make the wisdom easy fi reach. From the mountain to the valley, Jah love teach. Clouds of Zion, Jah vibes preach. Clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Pass the herb, let the fire grow. Clouds of Zion make Jah love flow. Babylon can't stop Jah's glow. Zion vibes lead wherever we go. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die.
In the shadows where the herb them grow, Rastaman walk, the mystic flow. Guided by Jah, the fire low. The secret of the earth we come fi know. Long time me hear about the Ganja King. Him walk the hills, the truth him bring. With the chalice blaze and a sacred strain. Enchant the psalms and heal the pain. Them say him find the holy grail. A herb so pure Babylon can't prevail. With lamb's bread lighting up the pot, they make the wicked tremble. Jah laugh. Ganja Mystic, the wisdom divine. Smoke rise high, Jah open the sign. On the journey we seek and find. Truth and fire, the world align. Babylon sent soldier fi hunt him down, but the mystic vanish, him can't be found. Him said the herb belong for the humble and meek. The healing of the nations, Jah words I speak. We burn the colonist in the sacred grove. The ganja light the way, Jah love we prove. From hilltop high to the valley low, Rasta chant, the herbs still grow. Them try to criminalize Jah plan, but Jah wisdom higher than mortal man. Herb are the teacher, the healer true. With every draw, Jah blessings renew. So like the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, Jah spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze for eternity. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. So like the
the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, just spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze, speak eternity.
People, roots deeper than steel and stone. Zion echoes, hear the tone. Them city built with chain and pain. Them skyline shine but soul feel drained. Concrete jungle drown you dreams, but roots grow still beneath them schemes. Them pave the road with promises fake. Them drown we deep in Babylon lake. But me heart hold ancient vision, beat steady in Jah's provision. See the preacher, see the banker smile. Them sell lie in corporate style. Me na born fi obey no man. Me born fi chant till chains began. Roots over steel, me say again. Roots find crack, reach fi rain. Though towers rise high and proud, roots are whisper strong and loud. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Them dig and dig fi tech and fame, but never find Jah's hidden flame. Me walk barefoot pon earth soil. Me spirit free, no machine spoil. Them call we backward, them scan we way. But roots stronger than systems play. Roots in we vice, roots in we hand. Roots in we dreams, roots in the land. No textbook teach the rhythm we know. Roots whisper when Babylon slow. Them can't plug out Jah vibration. Roots stronger than plantation. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Roots over steel. Zion echoes real. Roots blaze, roots fly. Jah guide me. Zion roots, ayayay. Afghan hash smoke. Yeah man. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. The lion roars in the valley, strong and loud. In Jah's guidance, we stand so proud. Me heart full of fire, the vision clear. Rasta teachings near, Babylon we fear. From the trenches of Kingston to the hills of the east, me lion heart never cease, never feast. Just wisdom me carry, me soul unbreakable. Like the lion's roar, me power unshakable. With each burn, we cleanse the soul. We honor the path as the stories unfold. Through the pain, the lion rise. With wisdom and truth, me reach the skies. Through Jah's fire, me grow the roots. Lion's heart, truth never dilute. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion heart, beating through the sound. We move with power, no fear to be found. Through Jah's strength, me break the chains, make we spirit rise. Free from the pain, the earth, my brethren, we no play. We rise in the sun and praise the way. Me heart pure, like the fire burn for Jah's love. We always return the lion heart. In Jah we trust, in Jah's guidance, we never rust. Forever we chant, lion strength to reclaim. Me lion heart, forever remain. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Zion roots. Me feel the earth beneath my feet. Me roots run deep, me feel the heat. Me chant for the strength, me chant for the sound. Me know Jah's power, me stand on the ground. Me rise with the rhythm, me rise with the trees. Me feel the power in the warm breeze. Me trust in the earth, me trust in the sky. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the why. Me know the struggle, me know the pain. Me rise above the stress and the strain. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the love. Me know Jah guides me from above. Me face the challenges, me face the fight. But me trust in Jah, me walk in the light. Me rise in the earth, me rise in the heat. Me feel Jah's blessings, me feel complete. Roots of the earth, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Roots of the earth, me know the truth. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the youth. Me face the trials, me face the test. But me trust in Jah, me know me best. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the soil. Me trust in Jah, me stay loyal. Me chant for the wisdom, me chant for the truth. Me walk with Jah, me rise in the youth. Me face the struggles, me face the pain. But me rise with Jah, me feel the gain. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the seed. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the need. Me face the storm, me face the rain, but me rise above, me feel the gain. Roots of the earth, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Roots of the earth, me know the truth. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the youth. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the soil. Me trust in Jah, me stay loyal. Me walk in the earth, me feel the peace. Me rise with Jah, me feel the release.
Zion echoes, Cali Kush smoke. Me like the spliff, me feel the breeze. Me puff the herb, me live with ease. Me watch the smoke rise slow and high. Me feel the rhythm, me touch the sky. Purple haze, the best in town. Me pass the spliff, me never frown. Inhale the bliss, me feel the peace. Me puff the ganja, me soul release. The sunset low, the moon a shine. Me inna the zone, me sip the wine. The herb a the cure, me soul it heal. Me puff the weed, me feel the real. Every drag, me see the light. Me feel the calm, me feel the might. We inna the garden, the flowers grow. Me take the puff, the vibes a flow. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the you. We puff the sweet, we puff the strong. Inna the rhythm, we sing the song. Lemon kush, the flavor so nice. Me roll the spliff, me pay the price. Me step on the street, me feel so blessed. The herb for the soul, me never stress. Every drug a meditation for the mind. Me puff the ganja, me leave it behind. Me a the fire, me are the flame. Me puff the herb, me never tame. Herb a me guide, me soul it free. Me take a puff, me let it be. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the hue. Me light the spliff, me feel the way. Me puff the herb, me face the day. Herb is me friend, me rise in the light. Me smoke the weed, me live the fight.
Zion roots, ayayay. Oh, me step in at the moment, me feel the sound. Me rise with the rhythm, me stand the ground. Me no worry about the future, me no look back. Me living at the moment, me on the track. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the pain. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the rain. Me walk in a Jah light, me walk in the truth. Me stay in the moment, me stay in the groove. Me face the obstacles, me face the strife. But me trust in Jah, me live me life. Me know me destiny, me know me fate. Me live in the moment, me never wait. Me rise with Jah, me rise with the sun. Me trust in the journey, me know the run. Me live in the now, me trust the day. the moment me feel the light. Me rise with Jah, me feel so right. Inna the moment me chant the sound. Me know me power, me stand the ground. Stepping out the moment, me rise in the flow. Me feel the rhythm, me let it grow. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the beat. Me stay in the moment, me feel complete. Me walk with Jah, me walk with the faith. Me no look back, me rise in the grace. Me know me purpose, me know me path. Me live in the moment, me no go after. Me face the challenges, me face the test. But me rise above, me know me best. Me chant for the love, me chant for the peace. Me trust in Jah, me feel the release. Inna the moment, me feel the light. Me rise with Jah, me feel so right. Inna the moment, me chant the sound. Me know me power, me stand me ground. Me live in the moment, me rise above. Me chant for Jah, me feel the love. Me step in the moment, me step with pride. Me walk with Jah, me feel the guide. Trust in Jah, me know the way. We rise in the light, me no stray. We walk with Jah, we walk in the truth. We rise with the strength, we stay in the groove. We face the challenge, we face the fight. But we trust in Jah, we walk in the light. We know Jah will guide me through the storm. We know Jah will keep me safe and warm. We chant for the wisdom, we chant for the grace. We rise with Jah, we feel the pace. We trust in Jah, we trust in the flow. We rise with the power, we let the love show. We face the trials, we face the pain. But we trust in Jah, we feel the gain. We rise above the struggle, we rise above the strife. We walk with Jah, we live my life. Jah is me guide, we rise each day. We chant for Jah, we know the way. Jah is me guide, we stay so true. We rise with Jah, we walk the view. We trust in Jah, we trust in the plan. We walk with Jah, we walk as a man. We face the trials, we face the test. We trust in Jah, we know me best. We rise in the storm, we rise in the rain. We trust in Jah, we feel no pain. We walk in the peace, we walk in the light. We know Jah will guide me to the right. We trust in Jah, we trust in the grace. We feel the strength, we feel the pace. We rise with Jah, we rise in the fight. We know Jah will guide me through the night. Jah is me guide, we rise each day. We chant for Jah, we know the way. Jah is me guide, we stay so true. We rise with Jah, we walk the view. We trust in Jah, we feel the peace. We rise with Jah, we never cease. We know Jah is me guide, we rise with pride. We walk with Jah, we feel the right. matter the storm, no matter the rain, Jah love wash away me pain. Me stand firm, me stand so tall. The love of Jah can't ever fall. The world get cold, but me heart stay warm. Jah protect me from every storm. Me see the darkness, me see the fight, but me hold strong. Me walk in a light. The wicked try, but them can't reach Jah wisdom. Me always preach. Me walk on the water, me move with grace. The blessing shine pon me face. Yen Jah love surround me soul. It keep me warm, it keep me whole. Yen Jah love, the sweetest light. It shines so bright, all day, all night. Yen Jah love, me never fear. Me know the truth, me know Jah near. The struggles come, but me never fall. Me rise up strong, me hear Jah call. Me trust the way, me trust the plan. Jah guide me, me overstand. The river flow, the breeze it blow. Jah love make me heart it glow. No evil rise, no darkness stay. The love of Jah clear the way. Yen Jah love surround me soul. It keep me warm, it keep me whole. Yen Jah love, the sweetest light. It shines so bright, all day, all night. Jah love, me carry inside. Me never stray, me never hide. This is my touchboard food team. This is not the shore in our way. This is my touchboard food team. This is not the shore in our way. This is my touchboard food team. This is not the shore in our way. This is my touchboard food team. This is not the shore in our way. With joy, me walk with grace. The blessing shine from me face. Me never lost, me never stray. Me hold your hand, me kneel and pray. Send Jah love surround me soul. It keep me warm, it keep me whole. Jah love, the sweetest light. It shines so bright, all day, all night. Jah love, me carry inside. Me never stray, me never hide. Zion echoes, bless up, one love in the place. Guidance from Jah, we full up the grace. Every corner, every street, Jah Light Fi Shine. Let the rhythm take over, feel the vibe divine. From the hills to the sea, Jah love reigns supreme. We living the dream, though life get extreme. Enough of them fight we, but we never back down. Treading steadfast, we wear Jah crown. Them try feed dim the light, but it always glow. Plant good seeds, make the blessings grow. Jah wisdom infinite, it a guide me heart. In a this your life journey, me play me part. Jah Light Fi Shine, make it blaze up high. Through the struggles we rise, we not comply. Every nation unite under Jah one sky. Sing praises to the King Selassie. Me say Babylon tricks, we can't fall prey. The youth them strong, them a lead the way. Righteous path, we not stray afar. Jah blessings infinite like the shining star. Them spread bad mind, but we spread Jah love. Guidance from above, me say dove pan dove. Peace and harmony, we chant pan the beat. We mash down oppression with love so sweet. Whoa, Jah fire ignite, it a burn bright. Guidance through the dark, me say Jah light For the picnic where I suffer, we a stand tall. Me say love conquer all, me hear Jah call. Jah Light Fi Shine, make it blaze up high. Through the struggles we rise, we not comply. Every nation unite under Jah one sky. Sing praises to the King Selassie I. So me chant, chant, Jah love fi grow. Like the rivers where I flow, let the blessing show. From Kingston to the world, Jah glory we sing. Forever in a Zion, Jah is the King. Love to the people, guidance all around. Me say one heart, one aim, we Zion bound. Till we meet again, let Jah light shine. The rhythm of the heart, everlasting divine.